Over 43 million shares have exchanged hands in this huge rally we are looking at right now as it concerns Zapp EV stock. So the company indicated that it signed what did it sign again? Memorandum of understanding and intent to appoint Bounce Electric One Private Limited as its contract manufacturing partner for sale of the i300 in India. A cell-backed Bounce already operates a domestic vehicle assembly facility and may further assist with distribution of i300 in the country. The parties intend for Bounce to provide the necessary support for homologation in India, with while Zapp continues working towards commercial rollout of the first customer deliveries of the i300 in Europe and Thailand in the summer of this year. Yeah, that's the what's behind this huge rally we are looking at right now. At some point, the gain was around 280%, and definitely this is one of the most active stocks in this session of today, the 13th of June. Scalpers will be delighted because it's volatile. It's volatile, so they will add to. They are already adding to what's going on right now. So as things stand right now, the stock is tending towards they bought the lower line of its price channel, and once it gets there, there's a good chance we're going to see a rebound. So it's currently trading at $2.4. When we come back, things might change. Let's have a look and see what we are looking at here. We have this is its daily chart. For some reason, it hasn't reflected here, but the extrapolation of its price, it's indicating that strength will set in. Let's see what yeah, I don't know if it's forecasted. They forecasted, yes, that strength will be here, will be in place. I don't exactly know how old this extrapolation is, but well, not the price that it forecasted, but if anything, it's definitely if this were an old extrapolation, then it did for some reason it got it right, but not exactly the price, because it's trading at 10 times less than what it is projecting for today. And let's see what let's look at its hourly chart. For sure this stock is going to retrace because it has run up a huge gain here. So the next downward projection, I think, is 1.72, and below that we have 0.6761. If you look at its 1 minute chart, you might find other downward projections. This has since recalculated. We have 2.46, and then we have 2.27. Yeah, those are the downward projections. There might be more on its let's 5 minute chart, and let's have a look and see. Yeah, there's a downward projection, 1.82 more. This is more like it. So this is feeding up the gaps we have on those projections, the projection on its 3-hour chart. So let's have a look. 2.4 was what we had. It's still just there, still for some reason still there. Hasn't really shifted much. It hasn't shifted much. Do we have anything on let's see, it's level 2. Let's see what's going on there. Let's see. Okay, but in any case, expect the stock to retrace. It has run up a huge amount of gain in one session. Easily the probability that this rally will not continue is very high. Easily. If it's not going to retrace in this session, it might be the session after that. That will be sometime maybe Monday the 17th of June. But naturally you would expect that it will pull back and contract. This volatility we're looking at right now should definitely correct. Let me see. Let's look at this is its 3-day chart, an interval of one minute. Okay, we need to see how it has how volatile it has been of late. Let's look at its 2-week chart. Okay, this is it. Yeah, so this is the spike of today. So this is, you can see there's a huge bubble here. Okay, this is a 1-hour interval. Let's look at its 4-hour interval. Okay, let's have a look Okay, let's look at. So this is this is a huge bubble. Definitely, it has to. It should contract before we see another trend occurring. You know, if it doesn't happen now, at some point it's definitely going to happen. Yeah, at some point it will happen. Let's look at the weekly chart and see. 1 hour, yeah, same thing as well. It should, or rather it will contract and flatten out a bit before we see another trend occurring. That is usually the case. Yeah. Let's see what has it traded high prices. Yeah, 3.07 at some point. Yeah, for some reason it just stock or that $2.4. Maybe it's halted or something. It could be it may have been halted. Maybe may have been halted. That's probably what we're looking at right now. Let's see. Let's refresh here on Charles Schwab. We might be able to see if it's been halted or not. Not exactly sure if it has been halted or not, but it's just holding those gains. Just not prices are not really changing. Not optionable. Penny stock. Okay, yeah, it's there's a movement. It's there's further decay now. Yeah, but in any case, just have a look, and if you think this is an EV hopeful, an EV great, a potential EV great, know how you're going to play it. It's not exactly the most wonderful stock to buy. Hardly the most wonderful stock to buy. Yeah, I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.